Positive energy is not something we have to chase. It already exists within us. It's the natural state of our being when we're at peace, aligned, and open. Sometimes, layers of stress, fatigue, or doubt cover that inner radiance. But through stillness and awareness, we can lift those layers and reconnect with a light that's always been there. This meditation will help you recharge your energy physically, mentally, and emotionally. It's about feeling alive, uplifted, and restored. So, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your arms rest easily, your shoulders drop, and your eyes gently close. Allow yourself these next few moments. They're just for you. Begin by taking a long, deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth, letting go of any tension. Again, inhale deeply, drawing in calm, vibrant energy. And exhale fully, releasing any heaviness or fatigue. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. Notice how each inhale brings renewal. Each exhale brings release. Feel the surface beneath you, holding your body. You don't have to hold yourself up right now. You're supported. With every breath, sink deeper into that support. Imagine roots gently extending from your body into the earth, anchoring you and connecting you to a deep, steady source of energy. With every exhale, release any stale energy down into the ground. With every inhale, draw in fresh, clean energy from the earth, vibrant and alive. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any sensations there: warmth, tingling, stillness. Let a wave of relaxation move slowly down through your forehead and eyes. Relax your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Let that softening travel through your neck and shoulders. You might even roll your shoulders slightly to release tension. Now, feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. Your lungs expanding, your heart beating steadily. Bring attention down your arms, through your hands, to the tips of your fingers. Then back through your torso, hips, legs, and down to your feet. Take a moment to sense your whole body breathing together. A calm, unified field of energy. Now, imagine a soft, golden light glowing at the center of your chest. With each breath, that light grows a little brighter, warming your heart, soothing your mind. This golden light is the energy of positivity, radiant, uplifting, pure. With every inhale, it expands through your body, up into your shoulders and head, down your arms and legs, flowing into every cell. Feel this warm, vibrant current spreading through you, energizing, recharging, cleansing. If it helps, imagine this energy sparkling and shimmering, like sunlight dancing on water. You might feel your breath becoming lighter, your mood rising naturally, your heart expanding with ease and joy. Now, imagine this golden light radiating beyond your body, forming a soft, luminous field around you. It's your personal energy field, strong, clear, and full of life. Nothing can dim this light. It replenishes itself endlessly from within. Repeat silently in your mind. I am filled with light. My energy is positive and powerful. I radiate warmth, joy, and calm. I am filled with light. My energy is positive and powerful. I radiate warmth, joy, and calm. Let these words sink deep into your being. With each breath, they become more true, more natural. Stay here for a few breaths, simply feeling this radiant energy flowing through you and all around you. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body, to the feeling of the air on your skin, the sounds around you. Notice how your body feels now. Lighter, more spacious, more alive. This positive energy is yours. It comes from within, not from the outside world. You can reconnect with it anytime, simply by breathing and turning inward. Take a slow, deep breath in, drawing in gratitude, peace, and light. And exhale, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Again, inhale vitality and exhale calm. When you're ready, slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Allow your eyes to open gently. Bring this renewed energy with you into the rest of your day. Let it guide your actions, your words, and your presence. Remember, you are a source of light, and the world feels that light when you let it shine.